Welcome back to Kanen Coffee. In front of me is a DeLonghi Magnifica that was brought in by Tracy. It needed a pretty good cleaning, which it did get, absolutely. Cleaned it up, replaced a couple of things that couldn't be fixed or cleaned, and then we noticed it had a pretty severe leak. So we took it apart again, and we noticed that there's this solenoid valve that had just completely blown apart. And couldn't tell you how, couldn't tell you why, but it did. So we replaced that, and let's brew a cup of coffee. Replaced that. That obviously fixed the leak. It's kind of humorous if you think about it, because these things don't usually come apart, but definitely did. That's not the sound of this machine. That's that one over there. There's the coffee coming out. Lovely. Tracy, thanks for bringing the machine in. We really appreciate it. We love working on these things. And yeah, if you guys like these videos, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this every day. Take care.